Guys, welcome back to the Roblox guy, and I'm gonna go in YouTube. This is good. Scary movies. Want it? You want it? You want it? Whoa! Tornado, shotguns, tornado. This is good. Gonna watch this. Okay. 1,000 likes. 69. Whoa, what the fuck is that? This is crazy, guys. Are you kidding me? My goodness. Russian swearing. Mr. Wolf can record this. Big tornado in Russian swearing. Whoa! Tornado disaster. Oh my god. Can you stop that disaster? Yes or no? Whoa, 4. What is that? Oh! That big tornado. What the fuck? Can you stop that disaster? Run! What the fuck are you going on? Run! Run! Go, that is scary disaster. Can you escape the disaster? Big disaster. Can you stop that tornado? No way! No! What the hell? Whoa! Big! It's big, bro. Back! It's going. It's moving. Amazing tornado. That is scary. I just scary video of to the disaster video. This is disaster. Oh my god! What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that smell? Back! Don't go in disaster. Oh, it's so flying. Oh, stop. Oh my god. Yes. Stop that. Whoa, farther. Oh. Okay, number 3. Okay. What is that? Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck that tornado! What the fuck? Fuck! My god, look that guy! This guy in here! Whoa, aww! The car was... Goodness! What? That was crazy! What? Whoa! Big tornado! The big tornado in the world! This is fake. Wanna watch this video? Scary tornado. Oh, football. Oh! Whoa! Football players! Go back! Go! What the fuck is that now? What the fuck? Go! the tornado? What the hell? The hell is that fast now? Stop! It's the big tornado. Mr. Wolf. Amazing! It is amazing! I fucking hate this. Thanks for watching it and please subscribe my video. Like, down below, don't. I said no. You're gonna say. Okay guys, bye!